Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. And we're now on day 6 of my 12 days of Christmas nail art. And this is the nail art that I'm showing to you guys for today. I'm stamping this design on my gold base. After that, I'm applying top coat. Now I'm using this Santa water decal. Then after all of that, I'm applying top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to know the latest updates. And be back tomorrow for the day 7 of my 12 days of Christmas nail art. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!